the most important thing the Digital Studies certificate does, in my view, is it helps students use technologies to do the things that they want to do. The thing about communication today in the digital age is that digital technologies change so fast.
Digital studies gives you a wide range of, digital tools and technologies that you learn. So I think me being able to pick up on that quickly has been imperative in my current role.
Students should pursue the Digital Studies certificate because I believe it opens your mind to more creativity and allows you to really tap into that.
I see my role as an advisor to help students build an academic plan that will help them reach their future goals. With Digital Studies, this means helping students choose courses that will both grow their technical skills and also deepen their understanding of what it means to be a thoughtful creator and consumer of digital technology.